Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make video black and white in Premiere Pro. So guys, to make video black and white you need to select the luminosity colors option. So here you can see window, click on window, and here you can see luminosity color. Click on luminosity color, and after selecting it just select the clip, and after selecting the clip here you can see the colors option are here. You need to select the creative option if it is not selected, and after selecting this creative here you can see the saturation. You need to just make it 0 like this, and that's it. The whole video will be in black and white like this. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.